Files. I'm gonna click on Files, and this directory is just like the media library in WordPress. If you know WordPress a little bit, you know the media library. You know what it is, you know what you can do with it. But if you don't know it, I'm gonna explain to you now. The media library is a library where you can upload all your images in. For example, you need images for a theme or for a slider or for anything what you need. Any media library files will be dragged and dropped into this section. So I want to thank you for watching. I'm happy that you're my student, and I hope you like this short and quick and accurate and quick, straight to the point. Sales channels. In this lecture, I will show you how you use the sales channels in Shopify. I'm gonna navigate to sales channels right above, and I'm gonna wait, and I've already added Facebook to my sales channel, and I'm gonna add another channel. You can add you can add Instagram or buy button or Messenger or point of sale or Amazon or eBay. But Amazon and eBay got different requirements, so I'm gonna explain you that soon. Yeah. Okay. And back. Okay, we will connect Facebook to it. Touch it. Okay, I will click on the Facebook button. And I will wait. And wait. And wait. Okay, once you're there, you're gonna click on the blue Connect Account button, and you will enter your username and password. I'm gonna click on the blue Connect Account button. Selling such Facebook is a really good opportunity for you. Okay, enter here your email and your password for your Facebook account, and your store will be ready. So I'm gonna exit, and I'm gonna show you the eBay and the Amazon checkout sales channels. Sorry. So I go to my dashboard, and I go to navigate to sales channels and add sales channels. And as you can see, right over here, you see that wait. Okay, you see that you can only use eBay if your store is located in the United States or Canada. So that's really stupid. Why we can't do it if I'm in Europe? So, but you can do it. So if you're living in the United States or Canada, or your store is located there, you can do it. And on Amazon, you need to the requirements are that you have dollars, so USD. So I really and highly recommend